Feeding honeybees. During the rainy season, watch these amazing honeybees enjoy the food I provide during the rainy season. During this time of the year, life becomes much harder for honeybees. Heavy rain, strong winds, and cloudy days make it difficult for worker bees to leave the hive and search for flowers. Without enough sunshine, many flowers produce less nectar and pollen, which are essential for the survival of the colony. To help them through this difficult period, I provide extra food and watch as thousands of bees gather together. Each bee carefully collects the food, sharing it with their sisters and storing energy for the days ahead. This simple moment shows the incredible teamwork of honeybees. Even during challenging weather, they continue working together as one family, supporting each other and protecting their home. The hidden life of bees. During the rainy season, take a closer look at the amazing life of bees while the rainy season continues. While the world outside is wet and quiet, inside the hive there is always activity. Worker bees never stop their duties. Some bees care for the tiny larvae, feeding and protecting the next generation. Others clean the honeycomb, maintain the hive, and guard the entrance from danger. The queen bee continues her important role, laying eggs that will become the future workers of the colony. Every bee has a responsibility, and every task helps the hive survive. The rainy season tests the strength of the colony, but their teamwork, patience, and dedication allow them to overcome difficult conditions. A healthy hive is built by thousands of small actions from thousands of hard-working bees. Together we save the bees. Join me on this journey as we learn, protect and help save the bees. Honeybees are not just producers of sweet honey. They are important helpers of nature. Every time they visit flowers, they help pollinate plants and support the balance of our environment. But during difficult seasons, bees need our care and understanding. By protecting their habitats, providing safe places to live, and learning more about their lives, we can help these incredible creatures survive. These tiny insects show us the power of teamwork, dedication, and survival. Every bee matters. Every colony matters. And every action we take can make a difference. Together, let's protect honeybees and keep their amazing story alive for future generations.